New game. The survival game.
Let me try the minute.
Hold on, I gotta take a
Just
screenshot.
stay there, Eli.
Alright, there we go. Alright, do I have to come find you guys?
Yeah.
What in the world is in my hand? Looks like I could
Stone. Oh my god.
get this mushroom. Oh, what? Look at these leaves coming out of the stone. Oh, dang.
Okay.
Oh, is this like Minecraft?
Ethan, I request to join.
Dang, this tree got life in them, like breaking it down. What? Let's go. Get this mushroom. Let's get this other tree right here. Get
I
that.
got some white clothes, but I don't know where.
You should join the team.
I don't know where you guys at.
Dad, join the team. Right there on the side.
Where?
On the side.
Okay.
Well, not the purple thingy, the red thing.
Oh, okay. I see.
You guys are called the Wanderers?
Go to your map. Look at me
The
again.
E-Team?
Yeah. Ethan is school.
Ethan is at the where it's winter, where it's cold. So try and make a boat. It's only 2 pieces of wood to make a boat.
Drop it to my rock.
You're getting closer.
I'm gonna get these trees. I'm gonna use up all the resources, grab as much resources as I can on this little island that I'm on.
Stop.
You're supposed to have stand. It's supposed to have stand.
Whoever has a boat, stop real quick. No, that's
All
not.
these resources. Ooh, I even got these bushes. I wonder if I can get the grass.
Hey, look at my exit haircut. Who's this guy right here? You want Ethan? Huh? You better run, buddy. You better run. Get off of my eyes.
I don't know where I'm going.
Try so make a boat, Lynette, and then just swim in the, go in the open ocean until you see winter, like glaciers. Yeah. Where?
Okay. I'm seeing desert.
Yeah, so make a boat, and
I know what I'm gonna do with this guy.
who's this, Ethan? Who's AL11OG? Look, that's your kingdom.
God.
Who's that? Kingdom.
Can I die?
Well,
Okay.
what we gotta do is we gotta make beds.
Oh.
Ethan, we gotta. Here, I'll start. I don't need to be the king, Bubba. But I'm gonna start chopping this down. I'm gonna start making beds so that when we die, we can respawn at our beds.
I'm gonna go kill these guys over here.
Let me kill. No, I'm talking to Eli. Why not kill these guys over here? Go get some resources. Come get some resources. Let's build a
Where you
home.
guys at, man?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Bubba, how you look at the map?
I wonder if we go
the blue
right here.
line. You see
Look at the map.
top blue
Okay.
line? Oh, no, that's not.
What map?
So if
Oh,
I'm part of the guys
make the map.
group, then I gotta find out how to find you guys, yeah. So how that works.
Oh, so you have to have a piece of rope and
That's the
a leaf to make a map.
It's nighttime now, and I don't even know where I am.
Hold on. Bubba,
So I
most
just keep
this is
leaving
what we're
and
going to do. We're
respawning.
going to make a boat and go find Linnell.
Can these guys swim?
Make a boat, Bubba, and let's go find Linnell. Make a big
That's why you
boat.
make a boat.
Oh, I
Yeah,
can swim.
Yeah, but then there's sharks in the ocean.
Can you
and
make a
won't
big
get
boat?
bitten up by them.
We can go find Linnell.
I think I found it.
I went the wrong way and I went to the map border.
I'm Polynesian. I'm Samoan. I can swim in the ocean. The ocean is my friend.
I to the world border and I went the wrong way and I don't know where I'm going.
Huh? Every time. Okay. Now I'm gonna kill right. Where's the map? You're tripping. Drop the map so I can go pick up the map. The map will show me where everybody's at, right?
I landed on someone's house over here.
Maybe you should
Oh, that's all enemy. If they're not wearing all white like us.
Look at, he's right there. I don't know who that is. He's gonna come over here and probably attack me.
How do I look at the map, bro?
Bro, what did I just
Oh, he said hi. How do I talk back to this guy? How do I say hi?
I don't know. That's my first time actually.
Oh, here it is.
You're so annoying. I never smell
There's a shark by me. Oh, I'm getting chased by a shark. What do I do?
Who's in the water? Is that you? Yeah.
No, I'm getting chased by a shark in a boat.
Oh, dang, he's killing me.
Run down.
I'm dead.
Oh, okay, Linnell, are you in the boat?
I'm getting chased by a shark currently, yeah.
Are you in the boat? Okay, keep on going straight, Linnell. Where you are, keep on going straight. Mike, did you die?
Why is there more sharks? We're getting chased by one.
I spawned back.
Man, keep on going straight. Oh, man, Mike, you're all the way at the top of the map. Hey, you can make a boat, Mike.
Okay, I'll do that.
Why is there a whale?
I'll tell you where to go.
What
After
is
you
happening?
make your boat, Mike. Keep on going straight, Linnell. Keep on going straight. I'm gonna tell you, you're close to us. Eli.
I'm gonna make a boat. I'm gonna watch y'all. I'm gonna take all his resources. Okay.
Is the purple square like our land or something?
Let's try to get over here, Mike, and then we'll gather resources together.
All right.
Yeah, going through there, Linnell. Keep on going through
Look,
there.
I can probably steal that boat over there.
Yep, go through there. Now turn left a little.
I'm actually gonna take that boat.
Go straight.
Oh, I see
Yep.
the guy that killed
Yep,
me.
go straight, Linnell. If you go straight right now, Linnell, you're gonna see us. Keep
Okay.
on going straight.
Oh hell no, shark! Whoa, whoa.
Left a little bit, Linnell. Left.
There's an ice square over here.
Oh damn it!
Is that you jumping in the water?
Freaking shark! How do I kill this? I want to take this meat from
Go
the
straight
shark.
left a little bit, Linnell. Go left. Left.
Oh, I see you.
Go left. Yeah.
The penguin's over here.
Get there. Let's go. Okay, you can start, Ethan, drop some, equipment for her. Oh, right here, Lynette. Where are you? I'll drop you some equipment right here that you can start using.
Alright. I'm gonna go hit a penguin to see what I can get off it.
Let me take that guy's boat.
Okay, yeah. Ethan, drop an axe and give it to her.
It's okay.
Oh, can you give it to her, please? Hey, where's your phone at, Ethan?
Oh, right there. How do I get in the boat with you? I
Where's your
see
phone at?
Eli. Hi, Eli. Look at this place over here. It's weird. How do we get that rock right there?
Oh, it's right here. Here, Emmy.
That's an ether.
Oh, I found Uncle Mike.
And look, there's a boat right here. This big boat. Let's take this boat, Eli.
Yeah.
Okay, drive it. You drive it.
All right, Mike. I'm gonna come and get you, Mike.
How do you drive this boat?
Tell him, Mike, you're way.
I'm with Uncle Mike.
No, he's not.
Yeah, I'm with Eli. Let's go. How do you control this boat?
No, you guys gotta come down.
Oh, I got
Down.
it. Right here. We're coming.
Okay, go straight. Now go left a little bit. No, left. Go left.
Like turn around.
Yeah, turn around.
Oh, you can see us?
Yeah, I can see you guys moving. Yeah, keep on going down there. Yeah. Now turn right. Turn right.
We're coming with a big boat.
Turn right. Keep on going. Turn right.
I came for a boat. That was.
Turn right. Yep. Keep on going straight now. Keep on going straight.
Oh,
Go
and that.
into that canal right there. Go into that canal.
Oh, look, there's a
river.
horse.
Now follow that river all the way down. Go all the way. Follow the water all the way through.
Hopefully nobody come rob us.
Yeah. Follow that river all the way through.
Oh dang, our boat's getting stuck.
Somebody has been on this and they're gone on this bridge.
I'm getting hurt. What is happening?
I bridge.
It's cold. We have to build a shelter.
Is there fire? Can anyone?
Alright, where do I go from here?
I'm dying. It hurts.
You go left, Mike. Go left.
Dan, this game is fun, man.
Yeah, okay, keep on going straight. Go past all those lands. Keep on going straight until you get to the winter. I don't know if we want to build. Do we want to be Alaskans? Let's just get together first, and then we'll go somewhere else.
I don't know if I want to be Alaskan.
Because, bro, I'm over here dying slowly, bro.
Yeah, let's go somewhere warm, man. Shoot. We're not even Eskimos.
No, but I got food.
Over here? Is your boat have the green flag?
Is Lynette dying?
I am. I'm gonna die.
Oh dang, I'm dying. Of hyperthermia.
I'm leaving. I don't like it over here.
Oh dang, I'm about to die. I need the sunlight.
We're Samoan. We're not meant for the cold.
What kind of spot you pick for us, man?
Yeah.
I see you guys.
Good, we're gonna go and find someplace warm.
Dad, wait, come back. Dad, come back.
No,
I'm little boat chasing after you.
Oh, I see.
Come back.
No, turn around, Mike, turn around.
We're gonna die.
We're gonna stay right here.
We're
Right there,
gonna
the
die
storm is
from
gone, the storm is gone.
Dad,
Okay, where do I go? Oh, okay, I'm gonna come up right up on the
stop,
shore.
Dad.
Here,
Our base is right behind the hypothermia area.
There's penguins. Can you guys eat penguins in this
Yeah,
game?
I killed two.
Yeah, grab me a cookie. I'm gonna try it.
I got a lot of food. I got a lot of food, Lucy. If you guys can come to me.
Is this where we're parking right here?
No. Come back up. Come up here.
Wait, we can't leave Eli.
Jump back on the boat and come up here. Come up towards me.
Yeah, I just jacked this boat.
Yeah.
Ethan, where are you going? Where are you going the right way? We're trying to get together. I don't know why you left. Right here. We'll make settlement right here. Here. Okay, Ethan. Oh man, you guys are way down there. Ethan, turn left. Turn left, pick me up and we'll go to them instead. Is it winter over there, Mike?
Yeah, it's cold.
Not dying over here, but though.
Ethan, turn left. Keep on going left. Come on. Yeah, go over there. Come pick me up. We'll go over there too. Turn right. Come where the boat is. Never mind, bro. This is unreal. Ethan, How the heck do you end up way over there? Go down. Never mind.
No. I need 40.
Ethan, stop. Stop where you are. Stop where you are. Jump on my phone. Let's go down there to Uncle Mike. Hey, Mike, are you guys in the winter down there?
We're near like we are in the winter, but it's not. We're not dying of hypothermia, and we're like near a shop.
Yeah, I know where you guys are. I'm just saying if you're like
No. There's a polar bear. Don't go near it. Walk over here. What do you think? Good for homemade?
Yeah.
And then warm. There's milk and ice cream if you want like something.
Homemade is better.
Homemade is always good.
Yeah, I like eating stuff homemade.
Milk or ice cream? You want milk or do you want ice cream?
Well, I'll take milk.
Yeah. There's like this is Chance's first time having homemade.
I know. Does it taste different?
Yeah, we have like there's a green there's a boat with a green flag at the entrance. Oh shoot, I'm hungry.
What about dough? This is made on scratch. The dough. So what do you think about the taste and the real homemade cookie versus processed cookies? It's more, a lot more better. You know, like
It's good. No, that's Layla's recipe.
I just died because I was hungry.
If I go to sleep.
Oh well, you know what that means. I'm coming.
I know. I'm coming on Saturday that you know I will not miss my Saturday shift.
So just tell them. Follow your So Uncle, would you like to give me directions of where you are at? Because like I'm kind of lost.
I'm scared.
I died because I was hungry.
I might go with you. But when was that last time Uncle Charles worked?
Ask him right now. Ask him how.
Ask Linnea. Ask Uncle Charles what's the last day he was at FedEx.
Huh?
What about where's Uncle? He's right there. Right here, Uncle. And we got milk chocolate Uncle Charles. Usually they make them with that. This is my recess, so it's like. I have a question. Before FedEx let you go, when was the last day you worked? I'm doing with this weather. I'm scared to get fired. But I have great jobs right now, and I'm scared to get fired from there. If I call out. Wait, so you didn't get fired? Oh, then what else do you work there? Well, when was the last time you went into work? This past Monday? Oh. And you think they will fire me if I call? I've been calling out for like 2 weeks. What? Have you really? Not really. I work like.
Oh, well, you want to work on the weekends.
I work 1 or 2 days a week. She did.
I'll turn it back around. It's too cold. Yeah, you died. Yes.
Dang.
Can we like go somewhere that's not the snow?
I'm scared to get fired, and my coworker.
I was what's nice for the sun.
Oh, dang. There's banana trees. Y'all should come over here where I am.
I don't know where you are. That's the thing.
You can probably find me.
But here's a map. I don't have a map.
Oh, look at that banana tree.
That's where we're supposed to live.
You can save that banana tree.
No, get the banana tree. Someone else is gonna take it.
Take this jungle tree.
I need to talk to them about changing my schedule to OT.
So tell them I found banana trees and everything.
Did you guys find that burger then? Yeah, put it on the ground.
Really?
Yeah, so it's right here.
We need it for.
I feel like I've been calling out too much though.
Are you calling out or giving up your shift?
Both?
I think you're fine.
How many times have you called out? Okay, I'm not worried then. Thank you.
Do it now. So don't wait till like.
I got scared because I'm like.
Yes, as long as you communicate, you're gonna be fine. Man, how do I build this right here? It says I can't afford.
Wait. Hold on, I'm about to get attacked by people.
Okay. I've just been putting out ride transportation issues for my call out reason.
It don't matter.
It's because I don't want to wake up and then go be done at work by like 6 o'clock and then I have to go right to the care after not getting enough sleep and just I have a 12-hour shift at the care.
Let's go to those bones over there.
Dad, I don't know where you guys are and I'm lost.
Mason, you should join. Oh no, you got to sleep.
Dad,
There's someone on this island. We gotta take them out.
Dad, you know I'm still trying to find you, like without a map.
Listen,
I don't know where I'm
The
going.
thing that you just don't call out late, call out ahead of time.
Oh, I think
Give it,
killing me.
If you know, like as early as possible, just keep your shift there for somebody to pick it. Well, I'm never
You
gonna
do it
find
like
you
early.
guys.
My poor coworker from FedEx, he got the job at the fair with me.
Oh, good.
But he worked the same shift as me.
Well,
and
this is my
calling
new
out
home now because I know I can't find you
If
guys.
you know, like, if you're scheduled to work from, like, just say today you work Saturday, you know,
Alright,
like,
this is my new home.
do it ahead of time. All right,
Yeah,
sure.
you can
I
find
will
us.
work on Saturday. For
Whoa,
sure.
you guys, we gotta kill this elephant
I
together.
enjoy my Saturday.
Oh, and there's a crocodile.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed.
Somebody help me, crocodile chasing me.
There is everyone.
Crocodile's
Wait, are
coming
you
up.
streaming? What is this? Why do you have a helmet on?
Crocodile, that's my hair.
No. Oh, it is. I died. Why is your beard like that? It looks like a helmet. Oh,
Look it, this is my face.
Ew, why is your beard like that?
Because that's the only beard they had.
I don't know where I am. So
That's the only one they had.
They just shaped it.
I'll take this big tree.
I'm just gonna keep spawning in until I find where you guys are at.
Yeah, Maya, you gonna join us?
I don't know where it is.
You just gotta. We'll find you. Uncle Charles seems to know how to find everybody, and we'll sail over there with the boat. I'm gonna take this banana tree. Yeah, this jungle got all kinds of stuff.
What is these cats doing?
I want that elephant trying to attack me. How do I afford this, man? Yeah, how do I afford this? Whoa, what's this? Whoa, what is this? It says speak. I don't know what I'm trying to make.
What is this?
I like bananas because they have no bones.
Circle thingy place with a cross.
Is there a house you guys made? You guys built a house already? I found a what is those things called again? No, those big rock stone looking guys.
Boulders?
With the face.
Oh, those stone.
Yeah, but look what I found, a bridge up here.
That's why I say bridge.
It's not one. How do I get up there? How do I get up here? Oh, look, a cave.
I was wondering about. Is that you?
Dang, I found the cave up to the bridge.
Right.
Dang, that's a big tree house. Dang, this is a cool spot for all of us to be at. Where's you guys at? Oh, you saw that I just fell through the bridge.
Me and you have the same haircut. Alright, let's go. You're so shocked about it too.
My back hurts. I need to lean against this.
So funny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your uncle has the same haircut.
Going back to the cave right here.
Like calm. I'm trying to be Dora the Explorer. I don't know what's happening. I'm Dora the Explorer. I don't know what.
Oh, so, okay. So I have to walk.
Oh,
Jump.
dang.
Jump.
I'm blind. I was just over
Jump.
here not that long ago.
Jump. Jump.
Almost to you guys. Mike, you gotta make sure you don't hit the bed.
Dora.
Where's the bed at?
It's back down there.
Oh, you guys built a house down there? I gotta get my rock out so I can beat that wolf right there in his head.
What in the world?
I don't know what that thing is.
Just make more beds.
Oh, that's a monkey. Oh, that monkey better not come after me.
What? It's in the.
Oh, what is this? Mazzy is now owned by. Look at these chili plants.
It's Pepper.
Those guys.
Oh, another bridge over there.
Wait, what is this?
Dang, where you guys at?
Look at all the stuff over there.
Copper ore. What in the world? I just
What
found
in the
copper
world?
ore.
Yeah, it's on like a stone, and there's a shark chasing us. I'm gonna go kill it after you're done. But never mind, it ran away. You can't.
Dang, this is gonna take
Oh, there's
forever.
coal right here.
Come here and lay down on the bed so that if you die,
Okay.
you come right back over here. You don't have to.
Is there any way to extend the house, or no?
How do I need to eat? Man, there's so much stuff. 50%. I'm gonna go find that bed. Because if I die, I'm not responding in a random area. Alright, where's the bed at?
You'll see on the bottom it says structures.
Go lay down.
Go ahead, man.
So here, I'm gonna make.
I'll see if they're in a little bit.
Look, these beds right here.
Wood wall.
Beds right here.
Right, you have to lay down over there like that.
Oh, I see it.
It's outside, but
Can you guys see me up here jumping? Look up. You guys see me jumping? Look up. I'm jumping up on the mountain. There's like a Mayan there's a bridge over there, and there's a like broken down temple over here. I didn't really explore it because I just got up here.
What in the world? Okay.
I must have jumped down in the water.
I am.
Alright. I need to go to this bed.
I need to make some, yeah.
How do I lay down? Oh, yep. Oh, yep. Spawn point set. Yes, sir.
We're just basically
Alright,
Minecraft
who wants to
in
go up
Roblox.
there to the mountain with me?
Me.
Okay, follow me. I'm gonna take everybody to the
We're in the
mountain.
jungle right now.
So how do I get my life back up?
I guess.
over here. I got food there.
Oh, yep. I need some food, man, because I'm 14% alive.
Here, I'll drop whatever I have in mine.
Where's the food? How do I eat?
I have
how do
raw
I
meat
eat?
on the ground.
How do I eat the food?
Here, I just dropped some food right there, like a 4-course meal.
I think I picked it up, but I don't know how to pull it out and eat it.
You gotta go to your backpack, the food, the drink, and you gotta select it, and then you gotta push equip, and then you gotta push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh,
You know where you put your tools.
yeah.
So then, get those tools.
Okay.
Did you get the tools that I dropped? Oh no, I didn't.
Oh, I see right here.
Yeah, you didn't drop anything.
Which one is the food again?
I dropped this right here, look out for you.
Eat.
And,
I already got a hammer. It's okay.
oh, right here, right here. Oh, right here.
Ooh.
And there's a map right there, man. In case you get lost again.
Thank you.
And then you need a pickaxe. Here,
Dang.
hold on. Wait, you need a pickaxe.
My life is going up. Maybe if I go rest, it should make me. Let's
Give
go
me an
sleep.
axe.
Okay.
Put in one.
Okay, passed out. Look at that. Passed out.
Mhm.
Now we can chop these trees down.
We are like in a jungle that's shaped like this. You have to make one. I know where you. Wait, let me show you. I know where yeah, I know where you're going. Here, you should go on land real quick and join try to join the squad so we can locate you on the map and go find you.
Alright, come on, man.
And alright, Chance has requested to join. Accept the request of Weston One-sided deal. What's I can't say it. I can't.
Okay, I'm back.
His name starts with a W. Except that word, I think.
Oh, my life is back 100%. Yes, bro. Alright.
One-sided deal.
Oh, look at this house. Who built this? Oh, dang. Oh, what?
One-sided deal.
Oh, damn.
Is that an alligator? Why is there an alligator over here? It's gonna scare Sasha. Oh, there's a person over here. He's about to figure out our camp if we're not safe or not. Here, you have to join our group thingy. It's called E-Team with 2 E's.
I just left. There he is.
Oh,
Jump on the phone.
Oh, you guys see me?
oh, okay. My goal, Chance, I'm gonna guide you to where we are.
Chance, do you mind grabbing me a cookie? Not the hot ones.
Oh, okay.
Just the,
See.
Oh, look what I found. Gold vein. What is this supposed to do?
I don't know. I know where this.
I need something to break this.
Okay. Hold on. Let me find you guys.
Dang, look at this. Gold vein. What can you build with this?
All right, Chance. I know
Man,
where
I
you
ain't gonna spend my time cutting that thing. There's a gold
are. Are you
vein up
with
here.
Chance, Mari?
Oh, it's okay.
So, Chance,
I'm just leave it right here to cool down.
So I want you to get on your boat, and I want you to go down.
Oh, look at this. I can climb up here. Have you guys been up to the top?
Okay. You guys both have a boat to go ride on. Just right there. Because
How do I upgrade my stone, though? What I'm saying.
you're right here. You can go all the way down. You want to use this as a reference so you can get right. You want to ride the river out.
I thought about you. Why would I be irritated? Does it say your numbers?
What happened to my rock? My rock's not there now.
That you already have crafting tables.
Remember, you don't lose anything. If you die, you don't lose anything. Because that skull means you're dead. So you don't die with the skull, bro. You're dead. You understand? That skull means that you're dead. That you didn't die with that. That means that you're
Have
dead.
you guys seen this thing right here now?
I was saying is you don't
talk to
lose
it.
anything. If you still have everything that you got. The only thing is if whoever killed you destroyed your bed as well, then you won't spawn back to where you were, and all your stuff will be
Getting
gone.
a big backpack
Because
here
most
and eating.
likely they'll loot everything. Oh,
What?
yeah, that's fine.
What? Oh, I was about to say, why are you dying?
I'm beating up this monkey over here.
I'm gonna get it on there.
I'm just trying to gather as much resources as I can
Oh,
before I start.
Hey, it's that.
wait. Now it's again.
I want to do something, but I cannot build it because I don't know how. I want to build a watchtower, but I don't have enough resources, I guess.
Everything okay over there, Lynette?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to do something.
Everything to do is in your backpack or that build on the right side.
I'm trying to build.
What the? Yo, look what I found. I found the pyramid.
Dad found a temple.
What in the world?
Alright, I'm located. Dang, Dad. I don't even know where you
I'm exploring the land that we're on.
Yeah, you're all the way across it.
Dang. It's a Mayan temple.
Or if you die, you'll just spawn back over here with all that stuff.
This pyramid is just pretty cool looking. It's nothing attached to it. This looks pretty cool.
How did you get the
Banana tree.
What?
Oh, wait, there's a cave over here.
Nickel, it's like glitching out over there. What the heck?
Explore this.
Ethan, you wanna go?
Like, don't explore it
Oh
without
my
us.
gosh.
I forgot. I only have
What the
this.
heck is this?
It's another
A
gold thing.
gold vein.
What?
How do I upgrade my rock so I can like have it like something bigger?
Oh, wait, what? I got yeah. I forgot.
I have a meat hunt.
Oh, there's a maze.
Build a fireplace, and then you can cook all your food.
I'm doing that right now.
Look, I have a meat hunk.
Oh,
Because if you eat the food raw, you're just gonna get sick.
I mean, well, okay.
Yeah, I'm not complaining. I like it. Oh,
I'm making a lot of food for us.
here, I'll find out where you
I'm
are.
gonna store food inside of a
Oh,
chest
shit.
nearby our house.
Older.
So,
Okay, come back to life, and then I'll tell you where you are.
who did this house right here?
Not me.
Ethan, you did this house right here? Huh?
Hold on. Oh,
You did
now
this
you're
house
just closer to us. All you gotta do is go in a diagonal.
Oh, it's
Huh?
You just gotta go up.
Yeah.
Up to what seems like right, but maybe to your left. I don't know.
wait, you guys want a house?
Oh, there's a house over here. Oh, I'm going to just getting rid of it.
I don't want to get lost in this maze.
These cats are like hurting themselves, trying to play with each other. There's cabbages over here. What the heck? Hi, cabbages. Here, let me just let them go. Start moving a direction, and I'll tell you which way. Just
Ethan,
keep
there's a
going.
crocodile.
Tell me when you start moving.
Oh, no,
This island is pretty big, man.
Ethan, the crocodile is not
How'd you get out of there, Bubba?
you like, go home. I can't. Can't? Oh my god, I'm gonna swim in water.
Yeah, they can.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
Oh look, Dad, I found a stone.
Good.
Yeah, I found the stone face thing.
Yeah, I'm moving.
Okay.
Where?
You start just going random place.
Yeah, I'm moving now.
You're going the wrong direction. Go the other way. Go the opposite way.
Going outside.
Yeah, just keep going. Just keep doing that until I say. Just keep going that direction. Avoid the islands that are coming. Yeah. After you pass this island, just go up. Just like turn that way after this. And then keep going. Whoever's over there, Uncle, yeah, just. Where am I? Oh. Yeah, you'll see whoever's just over there.
Gotta be this. Eli, there's a big tree.
Yeah, you're there.
Oh, yes.
I think this
Go
is a
sleep on a bed so when you die, you spawn there.
but it's not even.
And start just grabbing resources and stuff.
This thing is.
Chance found us.
Finally, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Please don't die by starving. Are you guys putting like a big fence?
Oh. I see. We'll be right back.
Some guys could like separate. What is this?
Whoa, look what I found. Did someone plant these?
If they did, then take them and plant it in our area.
I'm trying to find.
It's not coming up.
Okay, I guess it's. I don't know.
See, how do I change my tool?
Oh, Dad, you already. Can you help me?
What is it? What is that? Do you know what this is? It's like a stick thingy.
No.
Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a wooden rod.
And over there. I need blue.
Alright, I'm able to make a thing.
Oh.
Who's that?
There's somebody named Johnny.
They just killed me.
Hurry up. Spawn quickly.
I didn't spawn in the bed. Yeah, someone is that you gotta come back. Someone just killed everyone and destroyed the beds.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you just not hear us? We were like, oh man, they just killed us and destroyed our beds. Chant is still over there.
My goodness.
I found a safer place for us to hide and build stuff. You guys want to come here where I'm at?
Oh, you took my loot.
I found a safer place.
Ooh, I'll start.
But I'm bringing everybody over here. It's much safer away from everybody. Yeah, I'm gonna go get everybody. I know how to get back here.
Dad, We're all dead.
How do you guys come back alive?
We all spawned in different places. He took our beds, Dad. He killed this guy has like a netherite sword in Roblox.
Are you serious?
Yeah. It's kind of
Should I wait over here for you guys?
Yeah, we'll get over there, Mike. We'll be over there.
I'll just stay away from him, huh?
Yeah, or
Come
just
over
wait
here,
till he's gone.
Eli.
That sucks. Crap, that's him. I think that's him right there.
It's either him or Chance being over there.
That guy right there.
Is he full of armor?
He's stuck in walking in one area.
I think this Chance glitching out. I'm just gonna go over there.
I have a small boat. But Dad, you might have to get one.
I got my phone.
At least we didn't lose stuff, because that would suck.
Yeah, I still got almost stuff.
Alright, I'm back at the island.
Oh,
Because
Mike, where you at?
I spawned near the island.
I'm where you, where the beds were.
No, Mike, you're not even in the squad anymore. Left.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, who's this? Oh, Chance is still over here.
Dang, he really did destroy the beds. I see him right here.
Dad, see you.
Wait, the beds don't look that destroyed. Look there. See them.
Dad, you see me?
These are still good, yeah?
Dad, the beds are not there for me. And I don't see you up there. I think you're glitching out.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump up. Do you see me now?
No, I don't see anyone. Dad, you're the one glitching out.
Okay, should I
Mike, I
jump?
don't think you're in the same
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna jump down.
Because there's no more beds or nothing.
Okay, I'm jumping down. Oh, yep.
Yeah, I don't see anyone.
He's right there. Oh, that's Ethan. Why is Ethan still here?
Dad, you're glitched out.
Huh?
You're glitched out.
How am I glitched out with Ethan's right here?
No, he's not. Dad, I don't see any of you. We're all dead.
And look, the bed's over here is fine.
No, you're not sleeping in it. Look, on my screen it's different. You're glitching out.
So what do I have to do?
I don't know.
Because I'm over here like, look at everything working good.
You're not in this lobby with us.
It's Ethan.
I'll send them.
Okay, so that means I gotta start all over, huh?
I think I'll leave and then rejoin real quick.
Mike, you don't lose your stuff. Oh, let's go. Get right in here.
We gotta make this more safe and secure.
I'll check them out.
Tell me to go straight, go right.
Are we gonna make a structure somewhere else, or are we gonna keep this?
No, we can always just make new ones. Let's not trip about that. Let's go to that spot Mike was talking about.
Alright,
Well, I need to get out of here and rejoin you guys.
Go to the left.
because like he's not there anymore. I think he was just there to kill us.
Huh?
No, go up. I think
That's not working.
Yeah, how about that? How about I try again?
Hold on.
Oh, go. Yeah. Get out of there. Oh.
You okay?
Now go up.
It's left, Bubba. Go left. I'm already going up. Why not?